Hi kids, we have an alphabet puzzle. Oh no, where have all the letters gone? Let's find them. Here are some colorful cups and we have to sort the coins. These are red coins. These are orange coins. These green coins should go in the green cup. And the blue coin should go in the blue cup. Now let's sort the yellow coins. The last one are pink coins. Let's check the cup. In the blue cup we got the letter A. In the red cup we got the letter B. In the orange cup we got the letter C. Check the yellow cup. Yes, it's the letter D. Now we have two cups left. The green one has E. The pink one has F and G. Yes, we found some letters. Let's place them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's move to the next puzzle. We have many colorful cups and the dolls. Red, green, yellow, blue, purple, gray, orange, and white. Great! We found some more letters. Let's place them. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's check the new puzzle. We have number 10. Let's place in the correct spot. Now we have some more balls. This is purple ball. 1, 2, 3. We have 2 aqua ball. 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one are yellow balls. 1, 2, 3. Great, we found some more letters. Let's place them. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now we have colorful cups again. Let's sort the balls by their colors. These are yellow balls. Put them in the yellow cup. These are blue balls. Put them in the blue cup. These are green balls. Put them in the green cup. Now we have red balls. Put them in the red cup. Next are the purple balls. Put them in the purple cup. And finally, orange balls. Put them in the orange cup. Awesome! We found the remaining letters. V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, kids! We found all the letters. Thank you for your help. See you next time. Bye bye. Hey kids, today we have an animal puzzle board. Oh no, where are all the animals? They are gone. Can you help me find them? Let's start with shapes. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a pentagon. This is a circle. And the last one is rectangle. Great job, kids. The animals are back. This is a horse. Let's put it in its place. And this is a dog. Now we have another puzzle. Can you guess what animal this is? I give a clue. It has big ears and a long trunk. Yes, it's an elephant. Let's place it. Now we have a surprise egg. Let's open it. Wow, it's a cute donkey. Here is a green one. It's a mouse. Let's put it in place. Now let's spell a word. B, E, then A, and the last one is R. Yes, it's a bear. Good job. Let's place it. Next word is cat. C, A, T. That's right, cat. Put it in place. Now we have the next puzzle. This animal has black and white strips. Can you guess this animal? Yes, it's zebra. Let's place it. Next one. Can you guess which animal is this? Yes, it's a tiger. Let's put it in place. Now we have the next puzzle. This animal has a long neck. And it's a very tall. That's right. It's a giraffe. Let's place it in his place. Another surprise egg. Open it. Wow, it's a cute duck. Quack, quack. Now we have the last egg. Yes, it's a rhinoceros. Let's place it. Yeah, we have found all the animals. Thank you for your help, guys. Bye bye.